Hello everyone, and you know who's this? This is your sister Moniz, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. It is always a pleasure that we meet in Moniz kitchen, and you know every time I'm cooking for my family, I always share it with you. And this video is about my Haitian style Pate Kode that we are going to see. So let me tell you all the ingredients I have. As you can see, I have eggs, and I have flowers. I have bell peppers. I have 3 colors of bell peppers. I have 2 onions, red and white, and I have hot dogs. I have tomatoes. I have carrots. I have cabbage. This cabbage, I'm going to use it to make a pickles, because I need some pickles to put inside my pate. And I have this butter too, but you can use any kind of butter you want, or you can skip that. And I have some Creole seasoning. So I have salt and complete seasoning also. I have garlic, I have eggs, I have flour, and I have oil, salt, and this is a smoke area I have. I already rinse it out, let it stay for like 30 minutes in the water first, because it's really salty and I don't want my pate salty. So I rinse it out and I squeeze a lemon on it to rinse it out. See this lemon, and make sure you have a little small bones on it, and make sure you check the bones to take it off. And those eggs, I have more eggs, not only 4 eggs, because my family eats a lot. So yeah, that's what when you see my cooking, I cook a lot because my family eats a lot. And you see I have baking powder too that I'm going to use on my Haitian style Pate Kode. And just have a break, have a seat, family, just enjoy. And I have hot dog too. So this is everything that I am going to use to complete my stuffing to put inside my Pate Kode. So enjoy and just sit down and relax. And I'm going to show you how I make my dough. The dough is the most important. That's how you're gonna have those patty. So one more time, just check everything that I'm going to use. So now let's start with the dough. I took a bowl, I put about 2 cups of water, and this flour is about 8 cups. As I said, my family, it is a lot. And plus, when I eat, I share with other people. So yeah, and I put about 1 tablespoon of salt on it, and you can taste it. So you know how much salt you eat. Not everybody eats salt the same way. So now I put 2 tablespoons of baking powder on it. And then I am going to wash my hands, family. Make sure you wash your hands. I don't like to use gloves, so it's best for me to wash my hands in between, because when you have gloves and then you keep touching other stuff, it is not clean to me. So it's better for me to keep my hands clean and in between wash my hands. So now that I start the dough, I put the water on it. You know, the water already have salt and the Creole seasoning on it, not too much. And then now I put some olive oil. You can even add some butter on it, but family, I'm not gonna add that much oil. I'm not gonna add butter again because it's a heavy. Too much oil is not good. So I just keep the oil, and then after I finish, I have this washcloth. I rinse it out. It was brand new. I wash it, and now I'm going to put my dough inside the fridge for like 30 minutes. So but you can even do it overnight too. So now let's start with the stuffing for the inside of the patty. So in this pan, as you can see, I put oil on it. Then after the oil, I'm gonna let the oil little bit hot, not too hot. And then I put the smoked herring on it. I break it in little small piece. And then I have the garlic. It's a fresh garlic, I just smash it. And then now I put the tomato on it. Those 2 tomatoes you see, I put it on it. Then after the tomato, now I add the hot dogs. But I use a little bit of tomato paste on it. Not too much. I don't like to use tomato paste like that, but I just want this have little bit colors. Usually I use more tomatoes. If I want to give any color, I use tomatoes. But this time I didn't have a lot of tomatoes. I just use the one I have, and I add a little bit tomato paste on it, and I mix it very well. And then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredient. This is bell pepper, onions. So I mix it, the white and the red onions. I put some of it, and some of them I put in the pickles. So now I put a little bit this red pepper flakes, just to give my stuffing a little bit flavor. Just gonna be spicy, and I squeeze a little bit orange lemon juice on it, and I mix it. This is the basil I add to it. But you can add any seasoning that you like to use. This is what I use for me, but any seasoning that you usually use for yourself, for your meat, you can add a little bit, but not too much. And after I mix it, my stuffing is done. I just show you the pepper I add to it. It's not spicy, but I just want, when I eat, I just wake up my food. As you can see, I did not add no black pepper on it, but that's what I add, this pepper. And that's it, family. My stuffing, it's ready to put inside my patty. But sometimes too, you don't even have to do that. You can just cook the hot dog by himself and cook the heroin. If you don't like heroin, you don't have to use heroin. You can just cook the hot dogs and then just put it raw. You don't have to even cook it. Except when you cook it, you have a better taste, better flavor. And this is my dough. I make sure I clean up my countertop really well with some any disinfectant you use. Make sure you clean it really well. And then I put the dough. You know, the dough was inside the fridge. I put it out, and I make sure I flat it. And then now I'm ready to put it together. I put half eggs, and then this I put the pickles. Yes. Make sure you put it very well, but don't put too much, because if you put too much, you're not gonna be able to close it. I close it. So this is how I close mine. Then you can get a knife, you wet it, and then you close it more. And then this is everything that I use. This is everything. Just give you another idea. So now let's close this. So then after we finish to close it, we are just going to fry it. So now in this pan, I put oil, vegetables oil, and then I let it hot, but not too hot, because if you let it too hot, the inside not gonna be able to cook. So that's why you're gonna put it in the medium. Start from lowest to the highest. Just start from low heat. Don't put it on high heat. And this is my pate is done, family, and voila. And please send me your request. Send me what else do you want to see into this channel. Just let me know what else do you want to see. And this is my beautiful niece that she was with me, and she's trying my pate for the first time. Usually she see my video on YouTube, but she don't get a chance to eat it. But this time she has the opportunity to try my food. So bye, family. Subscribe.